Welcome to this session number 17 on Introduction to Statistics. So, in this session, we will be focusing on the median, which is another type of measures of central tendency. In session number 16, we completed the one of the measure of central tendency that is called a mean. So, here in this session, our focus will be median. So this is about me, and this is my LinkedIn ID, so you can connect me on LinkedIn. So here median, right? So this is also one of the measures of central tendency. So median is nothing but when you have a data, when you put it in a ordered way, whether it can be ascending order or it can be descending order. So the number which divides the whole set of data into two equal parts, so that number is called a median. So therefore this median is also known as middlemost number of all the observations of all the data points. Among all the data points, the number, the observation which lies exactly in the middle, so that is called a median. Okay. So here it is a very simple method to find the median. So first we will arrange the data in either ascending order or descending order. Then when you are arranging the data in ascending order to find the middle number, so we always find two middle numbers. That is based on the number of the observations, the number of data points, right? So that means if the number of observations n is odd, so then what will happen? We will be having only one median, right? One middlemost number. So then the median will be n plus 1 by 2th observation. Now here the focus is here. See, look at the sentence, the framing. I am saying that if n is odd, the number of observations is an odd number, then your median will be n plus 1 by 2th observation. Not, this is not the median. You should be very careful. This is not the median, right? This number is not the median. This tooth observation, n plus 1 by 2th observation will be the median. So that, because median or this measure of central tendency is one data point, right? So therefore here n plus 1 by 2th observation. For example, n is 13, which is an odd number. Now look at here, if I arrange the numbers in the descending order, now you see these numbers and these numbers are eliminated, then you left with only one number in the middle, right? So this number is nothing but a median. So these are all the observation, the total number of observation they arranged in the descending order, right? So therefore here it is an odd number. So n plus 1 by 2, n is 13 plus 1 by 2 the observation. So this is 14, 14 by 2 is the seventh observation, so which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So therefore the seventh observation is this is the median of the data. Suppose if n is even, right? So when you have even number, what will happen? We won't be able to divide the total number of observations into two equal parts. Always when you have even number of data, we will be having two numbers left out, right? So those two numbers will be n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation, next observation. It is a n by 2th observation, this is n by 2 plus 1, means this is the next observation only, right? So we left with these two numbers, right? So when you have two numbers left out, what will happen? So we just take the average or the mean of these two observations. So that is what I mean to say here. When you have n is even number, then the median will be the mean of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. For example, if n is 16, which is an even number, Now look at here the numbers. I have the data points. So I arranged in the ascending order, right? So if you see, if I take out the numbers one by one on the both side, I left with the two numbers which cannot be divided again, right? So therefore, if I take these two numbers and you just take the mean or average, so that will be the median, right? So therefore this is nothing but this is the n by 2th observation, and this number is nothing but the next number n by 2 plus 1, right? So this is the way we will find the median. So now look at here, n by 2, so therefore 16 by 2, so that is 8th observation is this and ninth observation is this. If you take the mean of these two observations, that will give you the median of the given data. Okay, so now let us take an example to understand. Suppose here I have a data points and I wanted to find the median. So what I will do, first I will arrange the data in either ascending order or descending order. It is up to you, but here I arranged the data in ascending order. So after arranging the numbers in the ascending order, you just count the how many data points are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Right? So the number of observations is 17. So you need to identify. So this 17 is an odd number. So when you have an odd number, we can find exactly one number in the middle. So that is n plus by 2th observation, right? So therefore here n plus 1, so that is 17 plus 1 by 2th observation, that is the ninth observation, right? Now here look at, even if the number is repeating, you should arrange in that order only. You should not take it only for once. If the number is repeating, you should consider as many number of times it is appearing in that same order. Okay, so that you need to be very careful. So therefore here the ninth observation is what? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So this is your ninth observation. So ninth observation, that is 15. 15 is the median. Is that clear? Not ninth, right? So therefore you should not get confused. The median is a particular observation. Here it is a ninth observation, right? So we'll take one more example. So here I have the data points and the points scored by the Kabaddi team in a series of match, and I wanted to find the median points scored by the team. So what is the first step? We arrange the data in ascending order. So this is the ascending order of the data points. Then the second step is to count how many observations are there. So how many observations are there? So here we have total number of observations is 16, so which is an even number. As I said in the diagrammatic way also, if we have even number of observations, we cannot divide the data points exactly into the middle, right? So we always left with two numbers. So what are those two numbers? One is n by 2th, so that is here n is 16. 16 by 2th, so that is 8th observation, that is one. Then the next observation will be ninth observation, right? So here the 8th observation is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So here 8th observation is this 10. And then next is ninth observation, n by 2 plus 1th observation. So what is the ninth observation here? 14. Now we need to consider, we need to take the mean or the average of this number and this number. That will be our median, right? So therefore 10 plus 4, we know how to take the average. Just take the sum and divide by the 2. So 10 plus 4, 24 by 2, which is a 12. So therefore 12 is the median of the given data. So therefore here the median point is 12. Clear? So that is the way we can find the median, right? So thank you, and we'll move to the another measures of central tendency in the next session. Okay, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and that will give me more energy to upload more and more videos and with diverse content. Okay, thank you.